Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to qualify for airdrop on KuCoin by just holding a certain of coin on this KuCoin account. I'm going to show you. I create a Telegram group for a community-based project, so technically we can make money together with strong community. So that's the purpose of creating the Telegram group. Make sure you check the group in the video description. So let me go into this video right now. If you don't have KuCoin account, I'm going to leave a link in the video description so you'll be able to create account with KuCoin. Right now you press this button over here to this notification, you press this event and you press news. You have to scroll down. You will see the official announcement over here. It says KuCoin will support AI DAO network, AOS, airdrop to open DAO SOS order. So I'm going to summarize this article for you. You say, dear KuCoin users, KuCoin will support this airdrop and to this order DAO SOS orders. We strongly suggest that for you to deposit. If you have this coin on any other exchange or you have this in your wallet, they suggest you should deposit this coin to your KuCoin account. If you don't have or you just want to buy, they advise you to deposit this into your account before the snapshot date. So the arrangement are followed. 1, KuCoin will take the snapshot of users SOS assets at the 0.00 on March 29. That's few days to this today, so of this year 2023. After the snapshot, we will airdrop AOS to SOS order at the ratio of 10,000 and 1 ratio to 1. So I don't know how much this coin will be worth on the launch day. So right now you will be getting one of these AI DAO token at SOS 10,000 1 to 1. So minimum holding for eligibility is 100 million. So buying the 100 million of this coin is around, like, as recording of this video, I checked this around $20. Let me minimize. I'm going to go back again. This, you see, this 100 million, this is $20.15. That's how much you'll be getting this. You can check this on CoinMarketCap. You will see the information on this coin. So right now you'll be getting, if you want to participate in this airdrop, you need to have this 100 million worth of this coin, and KuCoin will suspend the withdraw and deposit service at 10 on March 29, 2023 UTC. Deposits and withdrawal of this SOF will be restored once the snapshot is complete. So that's what you need to know. Please note, KuCoin listing requirement is effect apply to AOS2. The decision to open trading for AOS is subject to KuCoin follow-up plan and announcement. So this is what you need to know. You just need to stay alert on this platform. You can join their Telegram group over here. That's the place I saw this news quickly. So right now, let me show you another thing. I'm going to go back right now. I'm having this coin right now. As you can see over here, I have 210,500,370. So that's how much of coin I'm having right now. I just bought this right now. I just bought this today. As you can see, if you see this over here, time 11:40 26. So I just bought this today, and that's right now I will be receiving like more than 500,000 of this coin right now. I don't know how much this coin is going to worth. So right now since I'm just buying this coin to see how this is going to work out. And right now this coin also have been trading sideways a lot of time. See, this coin have been trading sideways, so I think it's time for this coin to go up also. So it's like double advantage. This coin can go up and you will receive a airdrop. This is not a financial advice. This is just an educational purpose video and event that want to happen. And if you want to If you want to stay updated on my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to join the Telegram group and know how things is going on. Thank you guys for your time. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.